Alright, so let's do a quick little do-it-yourself project. You need to put a new filter. This is the whole house filter I got from Home Depot. Get the good one. It's real expensive. It's supposed to take out all the stuff. So we're due for a new filter, so that's what we're gonna do. You gotta relieve the valve here though, before you can get it to come off, which is over here. There's a spot over here where you gotta push the little thing in there. Gets the air out of it. Oh, I think it's gonna go off. Hold on, first I gotta shut it off. It's been a while since I've done this, so. Alright, so I gotta shut it off first. That's what I gotta do. So we gotta shut it off first, then relieve the pressure in there. So it's one of those whole house filters. Works pretty good. Get some of that yucky water. So all the pressure's out of it, pretty much. And then you gotta lift it somehow. I haven't done this, but I'm pretty sure it goes this way. Maybe I need more pressure breaking off. Makes a mess. I got a lot of stuff below it. It's mostly just plastic, so of course it's gaming stuff. There's not a place where I don't have gaming stuff. There it goes. So we're kind of a pain to get it off, but you have to get the pressure off of it. There's no more pressure now. There's the booger. And it's got all that water. Luckily I have a place I can put that. So this is my downstairs. And like the rest of my house, there's not an inch where there's not some gaming stuff. But what I also have is the sump pump. We're right on a spring. So for 25 years I've been pumping water out of my hole. Almost 26, actually almost 27 years now. That runs pretty much all the time. Not now as much as in this winter. Though we're just gonna put that in the hole, or close to the hole anyway. So I've got actually two sump pumps. This one here, got to change a pump like every 2 years, and this has to be going all the time. When it's at peak, it'll run 10, 20 times a day, all day, all night, all the time. But the only way I can keep the water from coming to the basement, and you'll always have to have it, even if someday I'm not here anymore, somebody buys the house, they're gonna have a filter. I mean, they have to have the sump pump, unless you can come up with some other idea, but I don't know what it is. So let's get the filter out. It kind of makes a mess. There's just no other way to do it without making a complete mess. But I wanted to get a replacement, so that's off now. Again, it drips all over the place, but mostly just plastic below. And then the replacement. Again, these are not cheap. It says 3 months, but we'll go a year, 6 months. Sometimes. Nowhere you can really tell how much better or worse it is. The water, I mean. But 3 different options you have. You got the basic, then there's a one in the middle, and then the premium. This is supposed to take out all the stuff. And then you put it back in. know it's the right one. I know it is. I know it's the right one. Oh, there it goes. All right, so then that goes in. Makes a mess. Again, there's water all over the place, and then we put the piece back on. So it's going to be really nice out, so I'm going to start doing some outdoor projects. But I wanted to get this done first. So this is on, right? And then this goes in next. I think it locks into, how does it lock in now? I have to think about it for a minute here. Is that locked in right or not? No, that's not locked in. There it goes. There it is. It's got to go under those two metal things. Not quite there yet. Now I got it, I think. Yeah, now I got it. There's two metal locks on either side, so that's has to get in there. And then you put it, you can bypass it. If you can't afford a filter, you can just run it without the filter. But, and then make sure nothing's leaking. But look pretty good. So now I'll have some, you can see the water's kind of yucky down there. Filter it. So that's a GE, one of those whole house filters from Home Depot. So we just changed the cartridge. I think it's all set. It doesn't look like it's leaking. It's just the water from there. Just making sure I didn't mess anything up here. Looks pretty good. It doesn't take me long. What, about 10 minutes to do that? Yeah. We'll start doing little projects here and there. Simple.